Yeah.
Sure. India could export $500 billion in green energy over the next 20 years, according to Mukesh Ambani. RIL chairman said technological progress will make energy affordable on the basis of commercial viability. So what's he looking for? Solar? What's he looking for?
Solar and wind. Right now, I think 80% of the energy is coal. Still coal.
Damn, still coal. Does he want any of the nuclear or no?
No nuclear.
Not looking for it.
But it's mainly wind and solar.
As India shapes its energy transition to cleaner fuels, billionaire Mukesh Ambani on Wednesday said technological advancements will make India global new energy leader. Half trillion. He's trying to transition to clean, emission-free. Can't happen overnight. Well, no doubt. We have a plan to eliminate that in the next 2 to 3 decades. He's actually talking about oil and coal.
Mm-hmm.
In the near medium term, we'll have to follow low carbon and no carbon strategies. Europe overtook India and China to emerge as the world leader when wood was replaced with coal. Similarly, the emergence of oil, the U.S. and West Asia outgrew others. When India becomes not only self-sufficient in green and clean energy, but also a large exporter, it will help India emerge as a global. I mean, it's not easy.
No, it's going to take time.
To be clear, these energy sources are a little more difficult to they're a little bit more energy intensive, right? Compared to some of the more polluting forms of energy.
Mm-hmm.
And it remains to be seen exactly how the technology is going to advance fast enough to be a complete substitute for fossil fuels and all the rest of it. Not to say that it shouldn't be a thing that people are working towards, but just to say that it's an ambitious task, especially to attempt to go completely in this direction in whatever time frame. Mm-hmm. I mean, we were just talking about a denial of a pipeline between Russia and Germany for guess what? Not for windmills.
Mm-hmm.
Not for windmills. And they got lots of those in Germany.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, it's going to be an uphill battle to figure all this out, but it is certainly a job that's worth undertaking and investigating. No doubt about it. No doubt about it.